Good morning, dear parents and students. Warm greetings. Hope all of you are safe at home. I request all of you to follow government's guidance, safety rules and take precautions. Due to outbreak and spread of COVID-19, the lives are continuously impacted globally. We all are together in this unfolding crisis and doing our bit to ensure normalcy returns. I would like to reach you and ensure that at Saundarya, next to the health, safety and well-being of our student, continuation of their academy and education is topmost priority for us. During this life-threatening situation, we have mandated the only form of teaching and learning is online. We have seamlessly switched over to technology-enabled learning for our grades 10, 11 and 12. Grade 9 classes will begin from May 18th online and grade 6, 7, 8 classes will begin from June 1st. In due course of time, we will send our action plan for primary classes. It is heartening to see the vision, commitment, passion, zeal of our teachers in understanding this global challenge and adopting this new method of teaching to engage students meaningfully. The efforts put by our management, admin staff, all the members of Saundarya school is enhancing our confidence. I am overwhelmed to see the student engagement in these classes. The high attendance is testimony to the commitment shown by our students. The positive response and feedback of our parents is also enhancing our confidence. I am convinced with the support of you, this academic year is going to be great. All our teachers are engaged in various training programs. Recently, we attended a high valued training program organized by Learner Confluence called as Festival of Pedagogies. These programs are going to empower our teachers to implement different pedagogies in the classroom effectively. I would like to thank all the stakeholders of Saundarya for their continuous support and understanding. With everyone's support, we are going to win this battle. I request all the parents to continuously watch our website. We will keep updating you. Thank you, one and all.